Hello everyone. And welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss a brief introduction to Mojo Programming and Modular. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Getting started with the Mojo programming language for AI. Mojo is a revolutionary programming language introduced by Modular that aims to democratize AI access by combining the usability of Python and the performance of C. Designed by Chris Lattner, the creator of Swift, Mojo presents a novel solution for Python's speed constraints. It integrates Python's usability with C's performance, offering an astonishing 35,000x speed advantage over Python. Mojo is compatible with AI hardware, leveraging multilevel intermediate representation (MLIR) to scale various hardware types without adding complexity. Mojo's design ensures portability across different hardware platforms and specialized accelerators, making it a great choice for developing applications that need to run on a variety of devices. The reference material highlighted several features that make Mojo stand out. Mojo offers enhanced speed, compatibility with AI hardware, and is a Python superset, allowing developers to use Python libraries like NumPy. It also provides error checking and performance enhancements, memory safety, auto-tuning, tiling optimization, and parallel computing. Mojo's syntax is heavily influenced by Python, stated the reference material. To demonstrate, a hello world program in Mojo looks exactly like one in Python. Print, hello Mojo. The reference material also provided examples of using variables, struct types, and integrating Python with Mojo. The reference material mentioned some things to watch out for when using Mojo. It is still in the early development phase, so there may be potential instability or missing functionality. However, the Mojo team actively encourages community involvement and views Mojo as a new member of the Python family. Mojo promises a new era of efficiency and robustness for AI developers. By combining the simplicity of Python with C's high-performance capabilities, Mojo aims to democratize AI programming and simplify the development process. As we eagerly anticipate Mojo's public launch, it's the perfect time to explore its possibilities through the Mojo Playground and kickstart your journey into the future of AI development. That's all for this video. We will learn more about Mojo programming in upcoming videos. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up for more content, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.